Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide your IP address in 2025. The easiest and safest way to do this is by using a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. A VPN hides your real IP address and replaces it with one from another location. This makes it look like you are browsing from somewhere else. Let's go through the process step by step. First, choose a VPN provider. Some popular and trusted options in 2025 are NordVPN, ProtonVPN, Surfshark VPN, and ExpressVPN. They offer strong security, fast speeds, and easy apps for computers and phones. Go to the VPN's website and sign up for an account. You can pick a monthly or yearly plan. Proton VPN also has a free version, but it has fewer server options. After signing up, download and install the VPN app on your device. Once installed, open the app and log in with your account. Next, choose a server location. For example, if you want to appear as if you are in the United States, pick a server in the US. If you want to access content from Europe, select a server in Germany or the Netherlands. Click Connect. The VPN will now create a secure connection between your device and the server. When it's connected, your IP address will be hidden and replaced with the new one from that server. You can confirm this by visiting a site like whatismyipaddress.com. It should now show the location of the VPN server, not your real one. That's it. Thanks for watching.